Hey guys, I just woke up. It is currently 3:50 in the morning. We're getting ready for state for BPA. I'm super excited, but super tired. So yeah, let's get ready for the day. Okay guys, it's currently 4:29 in the morning. I'm currently ready. I'm gonna leave my hair like this until we get there, and then I'll change it. Take them out, but we have to wear professional clothes, so I'm ready. And yes, it's really early in the morning, so now we're gonna be heading to the bus. I'm going with my friend, so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next time. Okay guys, we're on the bus. So Princess, our recorder today, she's gonna show us the bus real quick, just a view. So it is currently 5:07, so we're about to leave at 5:30. So we'll see you in the next station. Bye. Breakfast time. Hi, Princess.
Hello.
Okay guys, so we just finished our competition and we had our lunch. We had some really good Indian food. Look at Princess acting like a weirdo, but it's okay. Say hi to the camera. So yeah, we're gonna wait for our hotel room keys and then we'll give you a little tour of the room. Hi, come on in. This is our room. Let's get a preview. So starting off up here real quick, we have a coffee station, a locker, just in case you gotta put stuff, and then a fridge. Coming back here a little, we have a closet where we have currently put in our professional clothes for tomorrow. Come on in. This is our mirror. Look how beautiful that is. Anyways, come on in. This is one of our beds, and that's Aisha. Hi, okay. And then we have this beautiful granite, whatever you call it, side table with this beautiful lights that turn on like this. And then they also have an alarm with some Bluetooth speaker in it, so that's cute. We have a humongous, don't know how many inch LG TV. Okay, move on here. It's already a mess, cause anyways, there's another long table you can study, you can do your makeup, fancy light, customer service or cell phone. You can't really call anything else because then they'll charge you, but there's some drawers, which why would you put your stuff in it if you're gonna stay for a night? But here, this is our view. Show them the beautiful view we have. Like, it is a gorgeous view. You just close it at night. And then moving on here, we have another table. I have some food from lunch. Here's my stuff just sitting here. We have another lamp, and then we have the second bed, which is also the same as the first one. In fact, we also have like this bench where we can put our phones and stuff. Yeah. So yeah, next is the bathroom, but that would be in another clip. Okay, now I'll show you the bathroom, so come on in. We have the aesthetic look going on. We did mess up the towels, but we can ignore that. So come on in. So this, we have a beautiful mirror with lights behind it. Minimalist here. Marble countertops with pretty door handles, not door handles, whatever this are called. Down here we have other storage with towels and stuff. Our toilet, and then back here we have the shower, which is also very minimalist. Look at the shower handle, and then we have this backdrop, and then we have built-in soap and conditioner, and then this small use for people. So yeah, that's what it is with our bathroom and our room tour. You guys will be updated next with what happens. Okay guys, so we are here at the dinner restaurant. We're at, what restaurant is this? Buco de Pepo. So yes, Aisha, you wanna come in? So yes.
Very pretty. Mr. Announcer, let's begin.
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I can't look.
Okay.
This is our competition.
Hopefully we make it.
Our name is not up there. Our name is not up there.
It has to be up there.
Yeah.
It has to be pinned.
Well, let's wait for it.
Okay, I mean, if you want to wait.
Princess, so what is...
We're scared.
Because...
She's recording her reaction.
You-
If you scream, please.
No, I'm just... I... Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay guys, so we're on the bus going home and guess what? We won first place. It is so surprising. I was literally scared. How did you feel?
I felt shocked. We felt
Then in like black, whatever.
like it was unbelievable. That's all.
Just look how big this trophy is. This is half our size, like literally.
Mhm.
So yeah, we're going back home.